Hi guys, welcome to another video on Bluebeam Revu. Right, so for today we're going to be talking about batch link. Right, so batch link actually uses the basis of actually the page labeling feature, or some may call it automark. Right, so if you have seen the previous video, yeah, the base functionality of batch link is somewhat similar to that. Right, so but batch link actually gives you more on top of what you are actually searching for. Right, so what I have here is a sample set of drawings with a content page at the front. Right, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to jump to the second page. Point being, I want to go into the corner, the title block of the drawing set, where there is a page number. So I'm going to go to pet, batch, go to link, click new. I'm going to click add open files to get the file in. Now, so I'm going to select, you can choose any one of these depending on your search term. So as for myself, I'm going to select page region. So I will left click and I'll drag this space, which is I actually want to extract the page number. Right, so when I actually click generate, what Bluebeam will do is that it will search through the whole drawing set over here on the left for that very same corner of the title block. And what it has found here is all these page numbers. Right, so I'm gonna assume everything is selected because I want to select all of them, and I'll click run. Right, so now when it clicks run, Bluebeam will actually search for everywhere that has that page number. Right, everywhere, meaning if there are certain other locations that have this page number called A0.00, it will be selected, it will be found, and it will be hyperlinked back to this page. Right, so as a total there are 74 found. So let's finish and close, and let's go back to our front page. So from the front page you'll be able to see that there are some that are highlighted, some that are not. Right, so to clarify, for this sample drawing, those that are not found is because that these drawings do not exist in this drawing set. So that's the reason why. Right, so let's go on a tour. So all these buttons in green, that means that they are hyperlinked. So if I want to navigate to the first floor plan north, if I click on it, it will naturally jump. And for example, if I want to zoom in to like door types and schedule, it jumps as well. And the resulting detail, I click on it, it jumps as well. Right, so the whole idea of this feature is that we have our drawing sets there, we have our content pages there. But this batch link actually takes it a step further and allows all these bubbles, like we have a lot of elevation bubbles, detail bubbles, allow all these pages to be automatically hyperlinked, so for ease of access as you do your project. So this is one such efficiency tool in Bluebeam that probably takes less than 30 seconds to run, and after you save this file, you are good to go to enjoying its benefits for the rest of your project on this drawing set. Right, so I hope this feature has helped you out. Thank you, and I'll see you again.